Good morning, students. Today our class is Social Science and we will study unit number 4, Supreme Court. But before reading this summary of the story Supreme Court, it is a small chapter and unit number 3 workbook is incomplete. I will give you along with Supreme Court. Okay, let's start Supreme Court. Law is necessary for the benefit, protection, and welfare of people. We have a simple and constant system of justice in the form of Taluka Court, District Court, High Courts, and the Supreme Courts to impart justice as per our judicial system. The Supreme Court of our country is in Delhi. Among all the courts of our country, the Supreme Court has the highest importance and status. The Supreme Court of India started on 20th January 1950. The Supreme Court solved dispute citizen, between citizens and government, between states and other center. To ensure that the height of the Narmada Dam does not exceed 110 meters, the state of Madhya Pradesh and voluntary agencies working for it, conservation of environment, protested against it. The Supreme Court ruled in favor of Gujarat regarding the height of the Narmada Dam. If there are any restriction or judges, they cannot function freely and give unbiased judgment. For this reason, our constitution states that the judiciary will be independent from the legislature and the executive bodies of our country. The high courts of all states and the Supreme Court of the nation are guardians of the fundamental rights of citizens. Poor people do not have money, they can neither read nor write, and they earn their livelihood by doing manual labor for the whole day. Thus, due to lack of funds and time, it is difficult for poor people to go to the courts. To ensure that poor people also receive proper justice, the Supreme Court has accepted a structure of application for public welfare. Two examples showing how people have been given justice with the application of public welfare. Laborers were freed from inhuman labor, and number two, a few prisoners who were not freed from Bihar jail even after their duration of punishment was over, set free with this application. Should the judiciary feel the human rights are being violated by any group of people, it can take care of the problem itself and give a verdict in favor of public welfare. Should be application for public welfare be unsound or inappropriate, then the individual, group, or institution which has made the application can be punished or penalized by High Court or the Supreme Court. So here the short form of Supreme Court I read. I will give you both workbook homework. 4 pages Supreme Court and 4 pages are for the third chapter nationalism in India. I hope you can write it very carefully and send to me. Okay, see you in next class.